buding profesora here, Mami Jo. Mami Jo, sige na, huwag ka na kumarte. Alam ko naman i-expect mo yan. Charot. But before your question ha, ayan po nakikita natin in time for the movie's theatrical launch this June 17. ABS-CBN has come up with a licensed movie merchandise such as mags, tumblers, and other novelty items. These limited edition collectibles will be available during the Just the Way You Are mall visits this June 13 and 14 in SN Cinemas nationwide starting June 17 and online via www.abs-cbnstore.com. Okay, thank you. That's from ABS-CBN Store. Your question, Mami Jo.
Congratulations po sa inyong film and Miss Liza.
May babagal pa ba sa taas ng energy?
Medyo naubos. What made this movie difficult to make for you, especially Liza?
Difficult? Did you find it difficult doing this movie? Ganun ba yun?
Or what are the scenes that was difficult for you to do?
Ayun.
Yung una po yung schedule siguro kasi putol-putol po kami mag-shoot na una. So, syempre nakakalimutan po yung mga continuity, yung pinanggagalingan ng emotions, pero syempre tinutulungan naman kami ni Direk po. Tapos, ano pang difficult? Siguro po yung character din naman. Mahirap din naman i-portray si Sofia kasi hindi siya that big of a character, and coming from playing Agnes, she's a very big character, so minsan siguro napipick up po yung mannerisms na ginagamit ko kay Agnes. Ayun, yung isang scene sa trailer, yung Are You Mad Enough to Find Out? Sobrang hiyang-hiya ako gawin yun.
At 17, mahirap talaga yan.
Nagpaturo pa ako dun sa script call namin kung paano. Pati kay Direk, tinuruan.
Siguro, itutuloy mo Direk, kasi mag-ayunan yung sinabi ni Liza.
Ayun, hirap kami dun sa scene na yun, yung Are You Mad Enough to Find Out. Kasi nahihiya siya, may inhibition shots, ang daming tao. So yun, so tinulungan naman siya ni Ken.
Wow! Si Ken magaling dyan.
Oo, si Ken yan.
Sa harot, magaling si Ken. Charot.
Siguro for the writers, what made this book difficult to write for you also?
Sa akin po kasi, kailangan kong alamin kung ano yung gusto ng mga readers kasi parang kailangan ko silang ma-please, di ba, sa pagsusulat. Yung mahirap po siguro dito yung paglabas din ng emotion kasi pag writer ka, pag nasasaktan yung character mo, pati ikaw nasasaktan. Meron din kasing time dito na nung sinulat ko yung libro, pati ako umiyak kasi nasaktan ako para dun sa mga characters.
Si Miss Carby adapting the novel too.
How is it, Miss Carmy and Miss Maan?
Ano po, syempre, mahirap yun kasi galing siya sa libro. Tapos may mga expectations na yung mga readers yung libro, tapos marami pang ulit. So parang sa amin, ano siya, parang kung paano namin siya gagawing more visual. Tapos paano namin i-enhance pa yung story na hindi namin madidisappoint yung mga nakabasa ng libro.
My last question would probably be, was it innate of you, Liza, to be completely pure and simple and people about the way you are? Because you're, you know, no makeup, simple, just natural you. Oo. May nagturo ba sa'yo how to be?
Hindi naman siguro si OG Diaz nagturo sa'yo ng no make-up, ano?
Wala naman